Want to maintain good battery health in your Apple Watch? These tips will help your battery last longer and perform better over time. In this video, I'll show you how to maintain your Apple Watch battery health. So no more delay, let's get started. Tips 1. Optimized battery charging. Open up the Settings app in your Apple Watch. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Battery. Here you will find the battery health option. Find the optimized charge limit and then toggle it off. Tip 2. Background app refresh. Go to the settings again. Scroll down. Tap General. Again, scroll down. Tap Background app refresh. Simply toggle it off. Tip 3. Remove recent apps history. Press the digital crown button for 2 times. Now slide the recent tab to the left. Tap cross. Tips 4. Low power mode. Press the side button to bring up the control center. Tap on the charging percentage number. Now tap the low power mode. Tap turn on. Tips 5. Always on display. Open the settings app on your Apple Watch. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap display and brightness. Scroll down again. Now tap always on. Now turn the feature off. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you can surely maintain your Apple Watch battery health. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.